but I'm in the mood today to have my pizza on a breakfast. I said it wrong. To have... Yo, I'm Chris Roberts, aka Flamebaster. And you know what? We've all had breakfast baps, breakfast baguettes, breakfast wraps. I know some people say you can't have pizza for breakfast, but I'm in the mood to have my breakfast on a pizza. Let's go! So, my classic fry-up has a sausage, bacon, black pudding, bit of butter and mushrooms, hash brown, egg, beans. I've got to hit it with some cheese because it's a pizza. I want cheesy beans and tomato. Now this isn't San Marzano tomato. This is the cheapest supermarket tomato because I love cheap tin tomatoes with my fry-up. And I fried everything off a little bit beforehand, just cooks better in the Roccbox. I love a good fry-up. And look how versatile the Roccbox is. Good job, Tom. Yeah. Until I stretch this dough ball. Use your favorite dough recipe. This is a dough I made this morning. Same day dough. Feels good. So I'm going half baked beans. And I know beans on a Neapolitan dough could be considered sacrilege, but I love it. So yeah, let's go. Half beans, half tomato. I'm just gonna get this on the peel ready. Now let's layer this bad boy. Sausage. Black pudding is amazing. This is Welsh black pudding made by my butcher. Mushrooms, butter and mushrooms fried in butter. Fully loaded, man, fully loaded. Oh, I forgot the cheese.
Stick a bit on top, yeah.
Bit of cheese. Some cheddar here. Sausage, black pudding, essential, bacon, mushrooms fried in a bit of butter, hash browns, fully loaded pizza. Let's get this bad boy in. Whoa. So hard to turn because it's so fully loaded. Smells like Cafe Mais in Caernarfon, my favourite cafe for a fry-up. And about 10 seconds before it's ready, get it out, crack a yolk in it. That yolk up. Just crack the yolk in. Bit of salt, pepper. Back in for the final 10 seconds. Oh, yes. And there you have it. Fry your pizza. I know this is a really simple recipe, but forget the full English. This is a full Welsh, and my full Welsh, gotta have the bach o sauce brown. Oh. Michelin star presentation, baby. Holy shit, that's one fully loaded pizza. Yes. There's no way of eating this that isn't messy, you know. But that dough, so good. What else can I say here? It's like fry-up flavour on a pizza. And for me, this is quite a healthy fry-up because I usually have like 4 ounces of fried bread with my fry-up. Yep, I can eat this all day, every day. But today, I want my breakfast on a pizza. Let's do this.